Hello friends, welcome back to my famous YouTube channel. I'm back with new creative videos. In our previous video, in one video we have seen Python convert text to audio. This video is really similar to that only. So it is really creative and innovative. For that, let us go through the Python file. These two statements, import py_pdf2 and import py_tsx3, these two modules are required for our program. That's why they needs to be imported. Next statement, path is equal to open sachin1.pdf. It is used the path of PDF file. Here is the since it is located in that directory only, same directory, that's why it is written, name of file is directly written. The next statement, PDF reader is equal to py_pdf2 PDF. This path is used for creating PDF file reader object. The next statement, from page, if your file contains 2 to 3 pages, 4 pages, 4 pages, and you want to start in between, then this technique is used. Since I started from my page is only one page, since therefore I started from 0. This technique is very useful when you are giving a seminar or you have to focus on particular topic. The next statement, text is equal to from page underscore page dot extract text. This it is used for extracting text from the PDF file, and at the last reading the text using this command pyttx3.init function. Now we'll execute the program.
Sachin Tendulkar is great batsman in world. He has scored 100 centuries in overall cricket career. His batting was fabulous. He is one-day batsman and also test player. During HSI time, India has won World Cup in the year 2011. Sachin Tendulkar does not need any introduction. He is undoubtedly the best player to have ever played the game of cricket. He has several records on his resume and is the highest run scorer in the world in both ODI and Test cricket. Tendulkar has played for nearly 23 years. Throughout his career, he has delivered loads of jaw-dropping performances. Those innings have helped Team India to establish supremacy in world cricket. England and India have a lot of history between them. While England claims to invent the game itself, India is the best cricketing nation in the world. An encounter between these two teams on a World Cup is always phenomenal. During the 2011 World Cup, India beat England at the group stage in a qualifying match. Tendulkar and Sehwag opened the batting and then Sehwag departed after an early stint. While wickets kept falling at regular intervals, Sachin kept his pace and batted like a genius. He scored a brilliant 100 and got out at 120. This helped India post a formidable total of 338.
Yes, we are successfully done with reading the PDF file through Python, part of machine learning program. Suppose you are delivering a seminar or anybody is delivering a seminar and he or who want to have a short break or a short notice which he want to inform to the people who are listening the seminar, and he want to take a break, short break. So this idea will be very helpful. He will save the data in PDF file and he will run the program, and again then whatever he want to tell, that will be delivered very fine. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.